Your heart isn't ending. It's starting. You think your heart is broken. You think this is the end of your strength, the end of your certainty, the end of your iman. But listen, Allah never breaks a heart to leave it shattered. Allah breaks only to rebuild. He empties your chest so you can fill it with Him again. He removes what was pulling you away so He can bring you closer than before. Sometimes Allah shakes you, not to punish you, not to scare you, but to wake you, because you were moving through life half alive. You were carrying fears you never spoke about, wounds you never healed, and doubts you kept burying. So Allah let something fall apart, so you could fall back into Him. And one day, and you may not see it now, but one day you'll look back and realize, every disappointment, every loss, every moment your chest felt tight, was not destruction. It was direction. It was guidance disguised as grief. It was mercy disguised as difficulty. Your heart is not becoming weaker. Your iman is not dying. What you're feeling right now is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of the strongest version of you. Because when Allah rebuilds a heart, He rebuilds it with patience. He rebuilds it with clarity. He rebuilds it with purpose. He rebuilds it with a softness that dunya can't break, and a strength that fear can't touch. So breathe. This pain you're carrying is not a sign that Allah left you. It's the sign that He's working on you. This is not your ending. This is your return. This is your opening. This is your new beginning.